Assalamualaikum, my name is Taimur. Welcome back to another Android Studio tutorial. Today we are going to check the internet connection in Android and we are going to implement it on the city guide application we are working on in the login screen. So let's run our application and let's go to the plus sign, and inside this login sign go for the login. I am basically going to add the check internet function when the user is going to click on this login. So let's say click on the login and my internet is off, so you can see the error, please connect to the internet to proceed further, and behind that no validation is working, nothing else. So when I am going to click on this connect button, it is going to redirect me to Wi-Fi. So let's go back and click again. When I'm going to click on this cancel button, it is going to bring me here. So let's just turn on the internet. Now I am going to click on this login and validation is working instead of the internet connectivity. If I have added something, then it is going to check. This is a progress bar and is going to show the error, no such user exists. So this is what we are going to create. So let's get started. Okay, open Android Studio and we are inside the login screen in which we are going to perform the connectivity functions. So let's go to the login.java file, and inside we are going to basically perform or check the connection when the user press the login button. So let's go back here, and you can, if you are following my tutorials, you know that this function will be called when user click on this function. So let me just show you. Click on this login button and in here you can see on its on click I am calling the function which is let the user logged in. So this is a function let the user logged in will be called when user click on that button. So before going for the validation or getting fields or storing or checking data from the database, at the top we will check if the internet is connected or not. So let's create an if it is connected, let the user perform whatever he is doing, and if it is not connected, so we need a not sign. Is connected will be a function we are going to create, and inside we need to pass the context. And if it is not connected to the database, we want to show a pop-up. So we will write show dialog. So we will write show custom dialog. Click on this is connected, go to the bulb and create a method is connected in login. So as I have already added comments, so after this comment I am going to create this function. So in this case it is a login. Basically you can change it to the context. So current context is the login, so let it be the login here. So we need a connectivity manager to create or to check a connection is equal to login dot get system service, and in here we will write a capital context, this one dot connectivity underscore service. And to remove this error, click on this bulb and cast it. So basically we need to add this casting connectivity manager. So now we have created a connectivity manager, but we need to know about Wi-Fi or the mobile data internet. For that we need to create a network info. So let's name it Wi-Fi connection is equal to connectivity manager, which is at the top we have just created dot get network info, and in here we will write connectivity manager dot type Wi-Fi, type underscore Wi-Fi, and that's it. So we have created or we get the current status of the Wi-Fi. Press Ctrl D to duplicate it, change the type to type mobile, and also we need to change this name. So now we have network connection with the Wi-Fi and mobile. We create an if statement. If the Wi-Fi connection is not equal to null and Wi-Fi connection dot is connected, we need to create one more bracket here, and after this bracket we will again add a check for inside the brackets, check for same thing with the mobile connection, not is equal to null, mobile connection dot is connected. So basically we are going to add a check that if either a mobile or the Wi-Fi is connected, if any of one is connected we will return true, and in the else we will simply return false. So we are basically missing one bracket over here, so add that bracket, return false. So close this one and go to the top you can see is connected, error is gone. So click on this show dialog, right click and create method. Again just cut it and paste it below this. So inside show custom dialog, we can again pass the context, but it depends. So to create a dialog, we need to create alert dialog dot builder and name it a variable builder is equal to new alert dialog dot builder, and we need to pass the context. So we can simply directly get the context as we are already in the activity. So we can write name of the class, which is login dot this. So this is basically a context of the current activity. So then we can set the message builder dot set message. After the message, write dot set cancel label, and we will add false because we don't want to allow the user to cancel that pop-up and do whatever he want to do, but we are not going to allow that. So if you want to allow that user can cancel that pop-up and again perform something, then you can set it true here. And then we have two buttons, set positive button and set negative button. So inside, the first thing we need to pass the message is connect. When user is going to click on this button, he will be directed to some positive action, which is a connect. So new dialog interface dot on click listener. So click hit and you have an on click listener for this. So we will simply start activity new intent. So we will call the settings with S capital, settings dot action underscore Wi-Fi settings. So this one, so it will simply open the Wi-Fi settings for few times and user can cancel it as well. And after this we will write set negative button, and again we need to pass the message, which is the cancel, okay, or you can exit, quit, etc. It's up to you. Then we again write new dialog interface dot on click, and we can simply let it be empty. At the end add a semicolon. So make sure you add a semicolon at the end of this builder dot set message. So when you add everything else, you can see no semicolon here, not here, not here. And in here on the cancel button, you can redirect user to some other screen. So let's say we can do that start activity, new intent, and get application context. And the second activity is retailer startup screen dot class. And make sure to finish this. That's it. So our application is running. Click on this plus icon and again go for the login. So we are going to click on this login button. So you can now see two options, which is the first one is the cancel button and second one is the connect button. So when I'm going to cancel it, it is going to redirect me to this screen. Okay, now let's go back to the login screen, and in here let's just click on the login, go for the connect, and you can see it is working very fine. So that's it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you learn something new, please like the video, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe it. Thank you for watching. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Again, you can get the code from the description below.